In this German lesson, we're going to practice talking about clothing and describing the colors of clothing. Now, this will be a pretty easy lesson, so let's jump right in. Let's learn some common clothing vocabulary in German. Das T-Shirt, the T-shirt. Remember to learn the articles along with the nouns. Das T-Shirt. Die Hose, the pants. Das Kleid, the dress. Der Pullover, the sweater. Die Jacke, the jacket. Der Schuh, the shoe. Die Schuhe, the shoes. Die Tasche, the bag. And these are very useful words. You'll probably use them a lot if you go shopping in Germany. You already learned German color words in a previous lesson, so we're going to practice using them with clothes. We might use schwarz, black, weiß, white, blau, blue, rot, red, grün, green. And if you need to review the German colors, I recommend going back to the German color video and reviewing those. Let's make some simple phrases. How might we describe clothing? Ein schwarzes T-shirt. A black T-shirt. T-shirt is das. And we need to learn the articles so that in the future you'll learn and remember why ein schwarzes T-shirt is not ein schwarzen or schwarzem or schwarzer T-shirt. And we might say eine blaue Hose. We have die Hose is feminine. So here we're using feminine endings. And we won't go into adjective endings yet, but this is kind of an introduction to them and why you need to learn the German noun genders. Ein rotes Kleid, a red dress. Ein grüner Pullover, a green sweater. Eine schwarze Jacke, a black jacket. So you see that you can use all kinds of different adjective endings when you're talking about these things. And it can get a little bit complicated, especially when you're learning this for the first time. Once you start learning about German adjective endings, repetition is the key, and always looking back at the reference charts will help you remember which endings to use when. For now, you don't have to worry about them yet. Just remember the noun genders for now. We're going to use an easier way to talk about clothing colors. You can say, das T-Shirt ist schwarz. The T-shirt is black. Die Hose ist blau. The pants are blue. Das Kleid ist rot. And this is much easier if you're a beginner because you don't have to use any adjective endings. So we can say, das T-Shirt ist schwarz, die Jacke ist grün, der Pullover ist blau, and it's much easier. Practice some sentences with me. Das T-Shirt ist weiß. The T-shirt is white. Die Hose ist schwarz. The pants are black. Das Kleid ist rot. The dress is red. Der Pullover ist grün. The sweater is green. Die Jacke ist blau. The jacket is blue. Now, if you're on the A1 German course website, you'll find this exercise to match the clothes word and drag the words into the correct boxes. And this is a free course, so if you're not doing the course yet, why aren't you doing it? Go to the My Germanized Life website. You don't need to register, you just start learning. You'll also find several free resources that you can download: the German conjugation worksheet, German vocabulary workbook, and exercise workbook for German grammar. And so you can download that all for free. You can catch up on your German homework, and I'll see you in the next lesson.